Hi guys, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinars. All right, let me adjust the camera. Okay. Let's see. Hi guys. Can you guys see me? By the way, no, right? Okay, let me adjust my webcam. I think I don't know why it keep like dropping down. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let me take care. That better? No, I try. Okay, I will try to figure it out. Hi everyone, welcome. How you guys doing? Well, I was looking at gold just now. It already go falling from the supply zone. I think I'm gonna spend like 30 minutes to finish this slide, and after that we're gonna look for the setup and we're gonna find those like charts pattern maybe in gold together because I spot that in the lower time frame. Okay, for the reversal pattern. Again, guys, I hope today is a good day for you. Welcome everyone to the powerful chart pattern part 1. We have two parts. Okay, and today we will focus on the reversal pattern. Okay, and always before we start the webinars, okay, this session is for educational purposes only. All right, not financial advice. So I will walk you through my idea and example, and if you you want to follow my setup or anything, just do your own due diligence before trading. Okay, and the risk warning you will see over here: trading forex and safety carries significant risk and is may not suitable for all investor. All right. Okay, so myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader at Average Fortune Group. Okay, and I think by now you guys should already know me. Some of you guys don't know, you can let me know as well. Okay, and this is the agenda for today. Okay, so the agenda for today we going to cover. Okay, what are chart pattern? Top 3 reversal pattern, incorporating them into a strategy. So like I just mentioned early on, I spot the reversal pattern in the lower time frame for gold before they reverse. Level. Why my graph is hang? Can you guys hear me so far? Okay, let me double check. Uh, okay, let me know if you cannot hear me, all right? Okay, so what are chart pattern? Okay, so they say that the chart pattern are the visual formation on the price charts that the trader use to analyze market behavior and predict future price movement. So one is to identify trends. Second one is identify reversal. Also, it also provide a potential trading opportunity as well. There are quite a type of chart pattern. They will have like reversal, continuation, or those like bilateral patterns. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome. We're gonna come back to this later. Okay, so the reversal pattern, we already know that we have those like head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, and like triple bottom or triple top. So for the head and shoulder, it was signal a trend reversal from the bullish to the bearish or the white versus. Okay, for the inverse pattern, double top, double bottom, indicate a market that had failed to break higher high or lower low, suggesting that a reversal as well. Okay. Um, okay, so let's look at the double uh look at head and shoulder. Okay, let me pull out the chart over here. Okay, hang on. There is okay, right? So whenever we're talking about the reversal pattern, this is a common one that you can find. Okay, at I think I'm gonna spot double top, double bottom first, double top, which is, and after that, what do you see? Okay, this is gonna be this is my first resistance, and this is my sell entry for today, right? Price was at this level. You see that very nice resistance level. So when you zoom into the lower time frame, okay, right here, I will go to the M15. For the M15, I spot, okay, to me, this is double top, but you don't see the double top. I have the example, which is this just don't have. Let me pull out another one. Okay, let's just say talking about this, okay, in the M15. I would consider this is my double top, even though it may not kind of like equal at this level. But let me pull out another one. It's more clearer than this. That would be, I remove, okay, yeah, Tup, tup. Okay, maybe we look here, okay, for like double top. Okay, we have double top. I would say that this is my double top, which is side the reversal, okay, in the H4 time frame, right before price breakdown. This is our double top pattern, okay, either reversal, and after that you can see price is falling. And also this was my resistance level, okay guys. Today my resistance level, this is my first resistance. Price went in the zones, okay, and okay, I somehow, this is not double top, okay, okay, let me talk about this double bottom first. Okay, here, like yesterday, okay, price was falling to this support level, right? This is our support level. Like yesterday, price falling, and I will consider this my double top, sorry, double bottom here, right? At this level, this zone, it look like W, right? Before the price is reversed. Okay, so this is the one. And head and shoulder, okay. Now we're going to talking about the head and shoulder, or head and shoulder could be QM. We already know these are left, the head, and this is going to be the right shoulder, somewhere around before it's falling, right? This look like that. I spot head and shoulder in gold, but it will be inverted head and shoulder. Okay, move back here. Okay, these already inform the the right shoulder. Okay, let me pull here. Right here. Okay, this is my M5, right? Of course, you need to identify. So we would say that this is very nice. Overlap support level is right here, right? This is our first support. Okay. First, whenever you want to trade with indicator or others, you need to identify the key level first, either like support, resistance, demand, and supply. You will see the price is make a lower low, lower high, lower low, and it's rising. Okay. Now, if price could break above this level, okay, break this level. Now, to me, oh, it's already go back very fast. This we would consider is the left, the head, and the right shoulder and rising. Also, of course, we not only to trade the head and shoulder. Price was come to this level. This is the zone that we're going to buy. One thing we can say that this is a FVGL fabric gap, right? But this is a head and shoulder, okay? And another confirmation which is within the FVG, which is this impulsive move, right? Price is falling at this level and now it break. Now, whenever they break, we already know, okay, this is gonna be the changing or reversal pattern, body close above this high to make a new high. Okay, and another one for the head and shoulder. Where everybody sell today, go anyone. If you sell, you're gonna get the sale at the entry. Anybody sell at this level? Anyone? And another head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder. Maybe we cannot find. We're gonna find that later. Okay. Oof. Gonna find that later. Okay. Here they will say that like double top, double bottom indicate a market that had failed to break higher high, starting that the reversal, or triple top or triple bottom, similar to double pattern, but they have three peak. Okay, so indicate stronger reversal signal. I think I spot double triple bottom in gold. Okay, during should be D1 time frame that was long time ago, which is here. This is very strong. Okay, because if we read it, you will see triple. Okay, usually we're gonna see like double, but this is gonna be the triple. This is a triple bottom, right? And after that, you will see it very strong reversal pattern, right? So far, I spot like this one triple. The rest, I think I spot it like double. One is just on my right there. You also spot which is at this level, right? Which is here. This is also double. Bottom. Okay, this consider double bottom as well, right? Why? You see from the bearish, they reversal, become the bullish. This one as well from the bearish to the bullish. Okay, that you see that this is on the D1, right? So the D1 time frame so far I have seen triple, which is here, that was in 1600. That's what the lower in the September 2022. Okay, then after that I did not see like triple so far. Okay, Now, continuation pattern, we have flag, we have panel, we have rectangle. Okay, so they say that flags it represent a brief consolidation period before the trend resume in the same direction. So how it look like? Or the panel as well, similar to flag but a converging trend line. Rectangle, I think we also see that it's a period of the sideways movement within the parallel support and resistance level. Okay, we're gonna see that we in charge. One is flag. Do you think you see flag in gold? I think so. I saw that quite a few. Okay. One thing, oh, I try to find. Okay, guys. This one should be the would be oh here. One is this, but this one is look like the panel to me, right? Why is that? Before is falling, right? This is the one, right? One. Now we're gonna find the flag. Let me move this pattern. Okay, here. This is a flag to me, right, guys? It look like that. Okay, to me it look like that. Then what do you use? Oh, one could be here. Can I make it like this one? Let me go for this. Okay, this one, right? So whenever you see the flag here, you can use the how you trade. You use the distance, the pole here. Okay, it break out. You can see breakout and retest. All right, lovely. You just take a distance. This gonna be your take profit. So this gonna be your TP, which is here. So on your left gonna stretch is just where you see that the distance is at the support level, right? From the distance from the pole here, the flag break below. This your take profit for the sell entry when they are breakout and retest. Okay, and also this one is gonna be the bullish flag here. Can I change the color to green? To green right here. Okay, I'm gonna take the distance maybe here, and then I'm gonna copy and place the idea was somewhere here, but price did not. Price did just go to this level and then falling. Okay, but what you could see here, when price it break out, you'll see that breakout and retest, right? This is the bullish flag, this is the bearish. Okay, and rectangle, oh, I saw the triangle in the HD1. Okay, D1 frame here, triangle first, right? Here, okay, before the breakout and retest, can we find, I'll get the distance, maybe since here, you already get, if you want to get from here to here, TP, or this was the low, and this is the high, the distance, right? Take profit, breakout, somewhere around here. That's going to be your take profit here, right? TP. Able to buy for the breakout, or I'm using the distance, right? You see that? It's about 120. But if you take a distance from this breakout and then you put here, this is going to be your take profit. Or easy, take the distance from here to here, right? Copy and place here. You see that? It is a take profit as well. Okay, you see the distance from this low to this high. When it break, you hold. This your take profit. Okay, so this is the triangle. Okay, bullish triangle. And we also have, I saw that quite a lot in gold rectangle. We have a pennant. This is considered rectangle or pennant as well, because it's almost close, but it's not. And also I also spot, I will remove. Okay, if you like me, like you like to trade gold, right, you will spot a lot of the chart pattern in gold. Okay, another chart pattern. What do we see? Before is falling, I spot another. Okay, this was somewhere around these zones. Actually, before I want to start the webinars, I already prepare for the example, and then I accidentally delete. Okay, this is the back as well. Okay, yeah, right. If we trade the lower tier, maybe I will take from this side, this low to this high. Okay, and then I copy. This is gonna be a TP. You see that, right? This is your T breakout and retrace. This is your take profit. Okay, the distance. This is 5. This is current. It was sideways here. This not. This is it was sideways before the breakout. Okay, this is not. Okay, this is an example. All right. So now, if you know, okay, another one, we have another. You will see quite a lot. This is as well, right? And this is the high to the low. And then I copy. This is your TP. You see that breakout is about almost 200 pip for gold. This is in M5. Okay, so this rectangle and the importance of the chart pattern. So you can use chart pattern to trend identification. So pattern help you to identify whether a market is trending upward or downward or consolidating. Entry and exit signal provide clear area to enter a trade or place stop loss order. Okay, risk management, whenever you see the chart pattern, often includes specific price target and stop loss zone. Okay, Market sentiment reflect trader psychology such as fear, greed, and indecision. For the risk management, right, chart pattern, if you will see, now you already know, if you seen those chart pattern, you already know that if you're gonna sell here, if this is your sell entry at the breakout, you know that stop loss we're gonna put. I'm gonna put at this wick. That's your take profit, and your TP, how you get, you already know from this swing high to this low, and you copy and place when it break out. That's your TP. Okay, so you will see that you go for short, breakout, you sell, right? The target, the distance from this high to this low, and then you break out, you put here that your target TP. Stop loss you can put above this flag or this swing. The reason really what is 1 to 1. It's the same in this one as well, right? You buy at the breakout, retest, stop loss, this swing, and TP is this high. How you get this distance from this swing low to this swing high, and then you copy and then you place here at the breakout. That is going to be your take profit at this level. Okay, and then price trigger your take profit somewhere here. Okay, also this for risk management. So now you already know how to place the stop loss and take profit, right? Triangle as well. This is your triangle, right? Breakout and retrace on the lower time frame, just below the pattern, the chart pattern. Your TP, you aim for this distance from this low to this high. Okay, you will see that you will have your take profit. It will take how many days? It take how many days from here to here? How many days? 98 days. Okay, it take here 98 days or about 3 months plus to hit your take profit for the swing from this to this. All right. Okay. So this is the importance of the chart pattern. I know that today's topic, some of you guys might find it a bit like quite simple and easy, but trust me, it's very powerful, and I spot that quite often in gold. Okay, I spot that a lot in gold XAUSD. Okay, so let me remove. Okay, right now I would say that gold is doing the correcting or in the triangle. Okay, triangle. I'm go to H4. Oop, oop. It's about here. Remove the triangle. This is the first resistance. Okay. I'm gonna say this within the triangle here. Now I go to H1. You will see that when price go to the you adjust, there will be at 4148, right? But if you go to H4, okay, at the body, correct. Okay, so 4148, right? The price is close below 4150, which is psychological number. Price close below. I go to the lower time frame. I always see that it was ranging, price was ranging sideways before they break below, okay, and pull back a little bit and then selling off. Okay, it was sideways right here in the lower time frame. I know that because I was selling and then I still holding to this sell entry. It was like up down up down. I did not close or re-enter again. Okay, right, in this level. Chart pattern I don't have today in the lower time frame. Those like reversal. Oh, okay, now I spot one here. This was my, okay, if another one, this is going to be the OB. Let me show. Okay, here. Okay, price went up to the resistance level. Okay, these are the resistance level. Okay, for 156. Wait. Oh, same. Oh, yeah, for 155, 50. Okay. I thought I spot the wrong one. Okay, right? I go to M5, we don't see, but the M5, okay, I see the OB. I get the sell at this level. Okay. This was my OB. Okay. And then what do you see? You go to the M1, you'll see double top, right? Do you see double top here? Yeah, you'll see double top. Reversal pattern. And after that, you what do you see? Is reverse and then falling more than 300 pip there, right? And price continue to make a lower low, lower high. Continue. M5. Okay. The M5 is look like that. Even though this is my key level, price has made the boss here. I spot price went into the OB in the lower time frame. We saw the double top, right? We saw the double top over here. You sell one is in the OB, okay, and price was ranging. They cannot close below 41.39 before they decided to break below. Also, they have broken price close below this chain of character here, broke below this swing low, okay, and after that continue to make a lower low low high. So this is the chart pattern in M1 that you see the double top right here, plus double top, rejection, rejection, right? You can see the rejection, and all the body close below the OB in the M5, right? And why price is bounce off from this level? One is could be FVG of fabricate in M15. It's a FVG, okay, and they come to the wick. Maybe now they FVG and they're touching this wick, okay, and this bounce off. In M15, if the obvious price has closed, make a break below this low, okay, this is a break up structure, close below and was ranging and close below right now. So even those, right, if you want to look at the candle, we will say that yesterday price closing with bullish candle right here, right? So today we're going to look for the buy entry, but where you can buy. My support story in H4 resistance combined with price action and OB here in M5, right? Right here, and then you sell. Okay, any questions? So today that would be all for the reversal pattern. Okay, just a recap, we have reversal pattern, those like head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. And we have the continuation, we have flag, we have pennant, we have a rectangle. I show you all this already, and those like sideways pattern. And the importance of the chart, risk management also can show you the entry and exit level as well. It also can help you to tell the market sentiment as well, trend identification, or if you have cover. All right, so this is the end of the webinars. I already show you. Okay, if you just join. All right, now you guys have any question, or we still have about 20 minutes. I'm gonna wrap up. I'm gonna maybe give you the key level for goal. Okay, so today this was my resistance for H4 today for gold. Of course, I'm looking for the buy entry, but price is approaching at my key resistance level. I need to sell. I need to sell. I know I'm looking for the buy, but I need to sell. This is my resistance level. Okay, price went to this resistance level. You see the rejection. I was waiting in the lower time frame. Okay, one thing I see, price slightly goes slightly above. That is okay, right? And I see that price action. Okay, start to have the divergence since somewhere around here. But I see the price action here, lower time frame, M15 price falling and go back up again, right? You see that have price action and the body is still close below, not even like go above this level. Price had make the boss here, I know that, but this is my key level. Okay, and then price was ranging. I go to the M30, you will see that it was sideways here before they break below, right? They close below this big zone for the FVG or fair blue gap right here, right? Right here, which is the FVG. Now, finally went into the FVG, right? And you see and bounce up and rising. How many pips from the low to the high? It's about 2000. Okay. What we're gonna do now? I'm gonna look for the sell entry. Okay, price come for the resistance, and I think they come to this level, like this high, right? But I did not buy. I look for the sale, like I was selling on this level. Okay. If I want to sell, I'm gonna look for this sell entry right here today. But if you already happy the profit, you don't trade, because I think we have a high impact new coming today, right? Is it today? Yes, we have a high. What we have 4 core PPI retail sale today at 1:30 p.m. GMT. Okay, or my time zone, that would be at about 7:30 or 8:30. Let me change. It's 1:30. My name is about 9:30. Yep. PM. Okay, so now price rising. I mean, I might consider want to sell at these zones. This level. Okay, at this level. I need to send it selling. This was the in London. London was selling off gold, and H4 also. So H4, I think we have another how many hour to close? 1 hour. Okay, we have about 1 hour to close. Like sell, sell, sell. You see that? Okay, within this one. Oh, and actually it's also FVG in No, 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 not the FVG. It's redone, not FVG. So, but this is the supply zone, the lower time frame. Okay. Anyone want to sell? Do you want to sell at this zone? That would be 1133 to 1138. That would be the zones. Yeah, you see it's about 61.8% fib. Okay. Right, you'll see that around these zones. So we will see. Go to M5. Yeah, you see M5 have like OB here. All right. Supply zone. So basically we're gonna sell at this level. If you're gonna sell here, the TP to target at the swing low or which is at 4,100. Okay. At this level. Okay, guys. Mm. Level. Let me see. Okay. Don't tell me that they're going to reverse from this level. Yeah, there's a gap there. Okay. Let me see. This is a sell zone. This could be the sell zone though. That will be 50%. Okay, so that are gonna be the zones to sell, which is 50 and above. The zone would be here. But if we did not sell at like 31, price is falling like 40 pip, I'm not gonna sell, right? Because I will consider I missed the entry. But this is going to be the zone at least 50% to 78. That's going to be the zones. We're going to see, okay, I go to the lower time frame. Wow. Yep. M1. Okay, spot the divergence. Okay. But never mind, it's falling. I still can wait because the zone is quite big. Okay. But if it is falling here, that is okay. Okay, at least I don't win and I don't lose my account still there. But this gonna be our sell zones. Okay, just see the rejection, but because the zone is like almost 100 pip. Okay, we see first. Yeah, but I still think this gonna be my high probability zones on the race one. Okay, within here. But if you think that you want to sell at this zone, it's up to you. And then the stop loss you need to put where? You can put at above this swing high or this swing high. Okay, but that is the sell entry at your own risk. I could be wrong. Okay, all right, guys, don't trust me 100%. Okay. Anyone want to request any instruments, guys? Beside XAUUSD target swing low. If did not, we wait here. Okay, go to the M15. And then a lot of people say, but M15 closing, this one is closing with the demand. I agree. But because it break this low, then I will look for the sell entry. Okay, I could be wrong. But I haven't entered my sell yet. Alright, I haven't entered my sell yet. I can wait. because the price rising somewhere around to like 34.1, 35 to 38, I may consider to sell, and then I'll put stop loss slightly above the swing high here. Okay, but if price falling all the way here, that is okay as well. Okay, because today I already happy with my like profit today. Okay, anyone want to request, guys? We have about like 10 minutes to go. Anyone? So entry. Can we look for the MACD? Okay, I think I shared with you guys on last week MACD. What about we want to use MACD to look for the entry? Ah, price action here falling. I'm gonna see, yes, you sell. That's it. You sell MACD in at exact 4131 to 4126, about 50 pip. That's so fast. I did not enter. Okay, but if you hold, you look, talking about the close below, it's a close below in H1, and there's a turning a negative the histogram as well. Okay, and actually it's close, the lower time frame is close below this swing low. This was the low that pushed the price higher, so I think this could be significant. Okay, now price go up. Okay, maybe if give up to go, okay, if rising further, yeah, I may consider to sell. Any question, guys? Anyone want to request before I end the webinars? Yes or no? Let me check. No one. Okay. Let's just finish off with, I think one more I'm gonna do is the BTC. Okay. BTC. Okay, price was falling to really like support level here. And now it's at the resistance plus the FVG here. Barrier gap. Okay. This level. I think, oof. Oh, hmm. Go back to gold again. Okay, I think gold gonna fall. Okay, if you sell here, guys, like the TP, you just aim for this swing low support level. Okay. BTC. This is gonna be the support level for the BTC, which is gonna be the first support level. Okay. And the second support right here. All right. So this is a key level for BTC. And BTC had already falling from the resistance level plus the FVG over here. Okay. Now I'm going to finish up. Okay, guys. Again, I'm gonna still buy as sell for gold. Okay. The reason price already went up just now. If you just saw, you may miss the entry. Second, price has like broke close below this swing low support level. This is our sell zone. Okay, and I think last week we were talking about MACD, right? The MACD in H1 has already closed below. plus we already have the momentum shifting from bearish to bullish or positive to the negative. Okay, so you can hold your entry, your sell entry, even though I know that yesterday price closing with this strong bullish candle, but I think it's possible because we have the news coming up later, right? For the you see that for the retail sale. You see, okay, so now price had falling from the to the low 40 pip. Okay, all right guys, so that should be all for today. This is our sell zone price had triggers. Okay, if you sell, manage your risk, and you can aim for TP1 maybe here, TP2 is here at the swing low support level. All right guys, that should be all for today. I will catch up with you guys again on next Tuesday. All right, thank you so much. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.